Today I will be teaching us and opening our brain on what creators have been brainwashing us with. It's all about this algorithm, YouTube algorithm. It's all about YouTube algorithm. The CEO himself have come out and said something about the YouTube algorithm and how it works. Time passed, the year I started content creation, my comedy videos. I've always seen and hear that the algorithm is AI. But the CEO said that algorithm is not AI. It is people who watches your video. Now, let me start from here first. When you come to YouTube videos, the YouTube engineers, they group our videos into 3 places, more than 3, but I just want to group it into 3 places. So we small creators, our video is grouped in a group, and the middle creators, who are people who are going closer to the top creators, their video is grouped in a place, and the bigger creators, their video is being grouped in a particular group. You understand? So that is how the video are being pushed. And we small creator, our video and our profile is in YouTube jail. Now I'm going to tell you how you can escape the jail and how the algorithm will favor you and I. One thing is that when a small creator drop its videos, the video will move among the small creators. That is how the video will move. The video will move among the small creators, among the small accounts. You are in jail. Let me give you an example. Now I am a mechanic, I repair generator. You understand? And I did a work for a client, and the client appreciated the work. Wow, I love your work, this is it. And it ended there. Wow. I did the same job for another client, and he appreciated the work. Wow, I love this work. And he shared my contact to people to reach out to me. Then from there I gained like 10 customers from there. Out of those 10 clients he shared with me, I still get some clients inside. Those people still refer me to another people. That is another goal. This is how YouTube engineers work. Do you understand? Now the first person which I said that he just appreciated my work and it ended there, I am in jail there. So the second person who still refer me to people, I'm not in jail, I've escaped the jail. You understand? No, now those big creators, whenever they post this video, their video will move randomly. And those middle creators, whenever they post video also, their video still move randomly. But you as a small creator, your video 100% will move among your subscribers. The escaping route to this is that your thumbnail, 1, your titles. I'm still coming to your channel. Your titles matters a lot. Your thumbnail and your title, those are the 2 major things I want to talk about now. Now, your thumbnail will help you whenever people went to the search bar to search for a particular things. Your thumbnail, whenever they see that thumbnail, how it is catching. Do you understand? You can go through this channel and see the first thumbnail I used for my video, the second one, the third one, and the last one I used. Compare those thumbnails together, you see that improvement is coming on those thumbnails. Do you understand? Now your thumbnail has a bigger role to play. Now your titles. Your title has to be magnetic, that when people come across that title, they will want to watch your video. And I'm also coming on video, your content you create. You understand? Now let me just brief on the content, your content. Now whenever you create a content, let your first 15 seconds do what? Return viewers. You understand? Those one, whenever they watch your video, if they still want to and do something that still will make them to be expecting something that will make them to stay and watch your video. I said thumbnail, title, and this, and keywords. I'm still coming on your channel. Keywords on your video, the kind of keywords you use on your video. Okay, for example, now I am looking for now how to cook jollof rice, and I search the fastest way to cook jollof rice. in my search bar. Now your keywords will help the people which are looking for that your video, which you don't even know. Now the person that is looking for the video said easy way to cook jollof rice or easy way to make jollof rice. Now based on your own fact keywords and the keywords you post, at least whenever you want to drop a video, at least you can still use like 5 keywords related to that video. You understand? Because majority of us, we use wrong keywords at times on our videos. So when viewers come to our video and whether you watch our video like even 3 seconds, they swipe off based on the keywords you use is wrong about the video. You understand? Now that your keywords you've used, these are the keywords that will still help viewer to locate your videos. Like keywords like tags and hashtag, use the rightful one. It's not that you post a video about jollof rice and you will be using hashtag or football hashtag or comedy hashtag. No, use hashtag or use keywords that is related to that your video and the topic that is related to that your video. Now what description really mean again? Description will still help you to push your video, to make people to understand your video. It's not everybody. Some fat and good viewers, we always want to go to your description and read what is there. Want to go to your description and read everything that is there. You understand? This description still help in search bar on Google also to help people to locate your video. You understand? So you are going to be use a good description which is according to your video, pertaining to your video. Don't use another description so that's out of the videos. You understand? Then on your channel setting, use keywords. Those keywords you use on your channels. Optimization are going to help your channel for people to be able to locate your channel anywhere. And don't forget in your description, in your channel editing, say add hashtag your niche, your name, your brand. Add it there. And most of the video you drop, say add it there. So if anybody still want to search for your name through this thing, whenever they insert your name, it will bring your videos and this thing an easy way. Hallelujah, somebody. I know you are getting something from here. If this is your first time watching this video, please subscribe to this channel and then click the notification bell. I do drop video every day. God bless you. Now let's continue. When the CEO said that the algorithm we are talking about is not AI, is human being, which I'm also explaining it to you. Yes, they are human being who view your video. For example, now you drop a video, I come to your channel and watch the video finish. Me watching the video finish, whenever even though I did not subscribe to your channel, whenever you drop a video again, the video will keep pumping. And the video, that's to tell you that YouTube sees that people are interested in your video. This is how YouTube will start supporting you by pushing your video, Now you're not adding the right keywords and hashtag and use a good thumbnail on your video. You understand? This will not attract people. And YouTube, when people come and watch your video and within seconds they swipe up and YouTube will see that your video is not interesting and YouTube will stop pushing your video. Are you getting me? Don't forget, this is Sirjay digital crypto platform where unfiltered YouTube tips are being shared. So don't be brainwashed by the top creators. They are hiding this for you, telling you that algorithm is AI. Algorithm is not AI. It is you that you are watching me and I that am passing this information. I am the algorithm that the YouTube CEO is talking about. Majority of us will come outside and say that the algorithm doesn't favor me, it doesn't favor. What you need is patience and work on your channel. Work on your channel, your description, your hashtag, keywords, SEO, optimization, everything on your channel. Do it, and there are some settings you need to be doing on your channel. Please, all my video, go and watch all my video one by one. You will see a lot of settings. I'm going to post some settings again about how to upload your video. These are the major secrets you still need to know. I'm still dropping more secrets on how to go viral on YouTube. Setting your channel, okay, and start posting. And try one thing again I want to tell you is that have a time that you post a video. If you check most of my video, I post my video at 5 p.m. Nigerian time. I post my video. You understand? You posting your video at those rated time, telling YouTube that you are serious about what you are doing. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.